How to get more power in Age of Empires. So the first thing you want to do is gather resources. So resources in the Age of Empire mobile are extremely important if you are planning to increase your power. You cannot research, build, heal, and train your troops without the resources. So if you are a new player, you'll think that you do not have to gather a lot. But once you go to the end game, you will always have and lack resources because everything is so expensive. So you have to farm all the time. Even if you're not fighting barbarians or other players, you have to send your troops together. And also to boost your gathering resources, you can use some gathering heroes, talent trees, and skills, and which all drastically boost your gathering speed and the amount of your resources that you can get. And also, you want to save and spend your stamina, so always focus on spending your stamina. It should never reach the maximum amount, as you know with time, your stamina fills and there's a maximum amount that it can hold. And then, you want to save speed ups and resources. So in Age of Empire mobiles, there are an insane amount of events that will give you insane rewards like heroes, but to win them, you have to compete against other players. Like in the event Mightiest Governor, to win them, you have to stockpile your speed ups and resources so that you can use them all during the event. And then you want to try the Whale Alliance. So it's one of the most important things you must join if you want to increase your power extremely fast. And also, if you want, you can buy the VIP level or push your VIP levels. You can get bonuses in research and building speed. And you will also get rewards daily that will boost your heroes. And then, the most important part, the daily quests. So a lot of players forget about them, but they are extremely important. From your daily quests, you will get rewards that will help you with your power. And then you can also do the additional builder where you can spend 1,000 Empire coins to unlock some building queues. You can also speed up your builders and then unlock additional ones. You can also use the universal speed ups to maintain and use them as players use them wrong all the time. And then that's how you can get more power in Age of Empires.